What's up, y'all? I will be trying any foods y'all comment starting Monday. So today I will be trying something that I have not tried or do not like. But I don't know what out of our refrigerator that I don't like. Okay, y'all. Today I will be eating a tomato. Just a little slice. If y'all don't know, I hate tomatoes. I love carrots though. And broccoli. But tomatoes, I hate tomatoes. Oh, sorry, y'all. Look away. Okay, y'all, I got tomato. Yeah, I don't want to do this, but here goes nothing. Blech. I don't know how some people like that. Yeah, if you ask me, that was disgusting. Disgusting. That never trying that again. Please do not comment tomato, because I don't like that. Ugh. I give that a 0 out of 10. 1 out of 10 at best. But anyways, that's all for today, y'all. Bye. Please do not comment weird stuff, but bye.